I was playing around and thought I might record some lullabies. I hope you enjoy and that this helps you sleep. LaLaLu, LaLaLu, oh my little star sweeper, I'll sweep the stardust for you. LaLaLu, LaLaLu, little soft, fluffy sleeper, here comes a pink cloud for you. LaLaLu, LaLaLu, little wandering angel, fold up your wings, close your eyes. LaLaLu, LaLaLu, and may love be your keeper. LaLaLu, LaLaLu, LaLaLu. Stay awake, don't rest your head, don't lie down upon your bed, though the moon drifts in the sky, stay awake, don't close your eyes, though the world is fast asleep, though your pillow's soft and deep, you're not sleepy as you sleep. Stay awake, don't nod and dream. Stay awake, don't nod and dream. Hush-a-bye, don't you cry, go to sleep, my little babe. When you wake, you shall have all the pretty little horses, blacks and bays, dapples and grays, all the pretty little horses. Way out yonder in the meadow is a poor little lamb. Butterflies flitting round its eyes, poor thing crying for its man. Hush-a-bye, don't you cry, go to sleep, my little baby. When you wake, you shall have all the pretty little horses, blacks and bays, dapples and grays, all the pretty little horses. Early each day the steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes, in her own special way, to the people she calls. Come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare, all it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bed, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bag. Good night, my someone. Good night, my love. Sleep tight, my someone. Sleep tight, my love. Our star is shining its brightest light. For good night, my love. For good night. Sweet dreams be yours, dear, if dreams there be. Sweet dreams to carry you close to me. I wish they may, and I wish they might. Now good night, my someone, good night. True love can be whispered from heart to heart. When lovers are parted, they say, but I must depend on a wish and a star, as long as my heart doesn't know who you are. Sweet dreams be yours, dear, if dreams there be. Sweet dreams to carry you close to me. I wish they may, and I wish they might. Now good night, my someone, good night. Good night. Good night. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you. your heart is in your dream. No request is too extreme. When you wish upon a star as dreamers do. Fate is kind. She brings to those who love the sweet fulfillment of their secret longing. Like a bolt out of the blue, fate steps in and sees you through. You wish upon a star, your dreams come true. Days seem sometimes as if they'll never end. Sun digs its heels to taunt you, but after sunlit days, one thing stays the same. Rises the moon. Days fade into a watercolor blue. Memories swim and taunt you, but look into the lake, shimmering like smoke. Rises the moon. Oh, close your weary eyes. I promise you that soon the autumn comes to darken fading summer skies. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Days pull you down just like a sinking ship. Floating is getting harder, but tread the water, child, and know that meanwhile rises the moon. Days pull you up just like a daffodil, uprooted from its garden. They'll tell you what you owe, but no, even so rises the moon. You'll be visited by sleep. I promise you that soon the autumn comes to steal away each dream you keep. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Far over the misty mountains cold, to dungeons deep and caverns old, we must away ere break of day. the trees like torches laced with light. If I could begin to be half of what you think of me, I could do about anything. I could even learn how to love. When I see the way you act, wondering when I'm coming back, I could do about anything. I could even learn how to love like you. Like you. Da 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 da. Like you. Da 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 da. I always thought I might be bad. Now I'm sure that it's true, 'cause I think you're so good, and I'm nothing like you. Look at you go, I just adore you. I wish that I knew what makes you think I'm so special. If I could begin to do something that does right by you, I would do about anything. I would even learn how to la da 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 la da 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 la da da da. When I see the way you look, shaken by how long it took, I can do about anything. I can even learn how to love like you. Oh, love like you. Oh, love me like you. Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Fill my life with song, and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I'd planned. When we had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew. I wondered if I could hold it and fall in love with it too. You told me to buy a pony, but all I wanted was you. remember me. Don't let it make you cry, for even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me, though I have to travel far. Remember me, each time you hear a sad guitar. Know that I'm with you the only way that I can be, until you're in my arms again. Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon dust in your hair of gold and starlight in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Arizona moon, keep shining from the desert sky above. You know pretty soon that big yellow moon will light the way back to the one you love. Blue shadows on the trail. Little cowboy, close your eyes and feel. All of your doggies are in the corral. All your work is done. Just close your eyes and dream, little pal. Dream of someone. Blue shadows on the trail. Soft wind blowing through the trees above. All the other little cowboys back in the bunkhouse now, so close your eyes and dream. With those eyes, you could stop my heart, paralyzed all my moving parts, but behind all this masquerade, you will find a boy who's just being afraid of loving you, of loving you. So dance with me, sway with me, stay with me, lay with me, lead the way, set the pace. I'll forget I'm afraid, I'll forget I'm afraid. With those lips, you could waltz away every inch of me that's been left in pain. If our lives were to intertwine, then I'd tell you up front that I'm just a scar in disguise. I hope I would be toe to toe, so dance with me. I don't mind. Side to side, take your time, take all of mine. I don't mind. Side to side, take your time, take all of mine. Dance with me, sway with me, stay with me, lay with me, lead the way, set the pace. I'll forget I'm afraid, I'll forget I'm afraid. Love of mine, someday you will die, but I'll be close behind. I'll follow you into the dark. No blinding light or tunnels to gates of white, just our hands clasped so tight, waiting for the hint of a spark. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark. In Catholic school, as vicious as Roman rule, I got my knuckles bruised by a lady in black, and I held my tongue as she told me, son, fear is the heart of love. So I never went back. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs. If there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark. You and me have seen everything to see, from Bangkok to Calgary, and the soles of your shoes are all worn down. The time for sleep is now, it's nothing to cry about, 'cause we'll hold each other soon in the blackest of rooms. If heaven and hell decide that they both are satisfied, and illuminate the nose on their vacancy signs, if there's no one beside you when your soul embarks, then I'll follow you into the dark. I'll follow you into the dark. The flowers are gray and pink, and all I remember thinking was, this is how it's supposed to be. And now that I've seen your face, my mind goes to a stupid place, but I hope you'll remember me. And none of this will make sense. I can hide through words all I please, but even when I'm 6 feet underground, you still got me on my knees. Dreams cannot compare to seeing you standing there in front of me. It's crazy how much I've found. I'd love for you to stick around and to stay with me. And none of this will make sense. I can hide through words all I please, but even when I'm 6 feet underground, you still got me on my knees. Yeah, you still got me on my knees. Dream when you're feeling blue. Dream, that's the thing to do. Dream while the smoke rings rise in the air. You'll find your share of memories there. So dream when the day is through. Dream and it might come true. Things never are as bad as they seem. So dream, dream, dream. Good night.